Hello, today I want to talk to you about the EGO 21-inch Select Cut Self-Propelled Mower. I finally got myself a battery-powered mower. I just bought this thing today, and after a lot of research, I decided on this model here. I haven't even tried it out yet. It still has the paper on here from the store, but we're going to go over this mower right now. So this mower here is actually a 7.5 amp. It's got a lot of torque. It says 7.0 torque, 60 minutes of runtime. And in case you want to know which model it is, it's the LM2135SP. SP stands for self-propelled. So I'm going to take this off. And like I said, I've never used it. So right away, we're going to talk about our deck. This deck is made of plastic. It's not metal. So therefore, it's not going to rust. And from what I understand, this material is very durable. I've seen other videos where guys have been using this for a long time, several years, and it may get a little bit scuffed up, but that's about it. It's a very durable deck. And right off the bat, I want to say that EGO has a very good warranty system. They have a 5-year warranty on the mower and 3 years on the battery. You can't beat that. So next we're going to talk about the handle. It has 2 of these on the side here. So you just pull these back and you can pull up on your handle to lengthen it. And you can clip these back in, and apparently the mower won't start unless you have the handle stretched out all the way. Now you may be thinking, well, the handle seems kind of high. Well, you can adjust it. Yeah, I think it has 3 levels. Here is high, medium, and low. So if you like to hold it like this down low, which doesn't seem too bad, you can put it on the low. Myself, I think I'm going to go with the medium, and I'll try it out like that first. And if you want to store it away in your garage when you're done, all you have to do is flip these back again, put your handle down, squeeze that into place, squeeze this, and you can fold it over like this. And of course, you won't have your bag on it. Then, all you got to do is pick it up and put it in a corner like this somewhere. Easy storage. Now that we have it up like this, you can see it has these blades. What is this, right? They call this the crosscut blade. I'm not 100% sure why it's like this. I guess it has something to do with mulching, but I will explain that more in another video in the future. Okay, we'll put it down and look at some other features. The handle comes up nicely. We'll put it in my medium position as if I were to use it. There we go. Takes me a second to get used to it. Flip these back. Pull our handle all the way up. Clip those back in place. Now I did forget to mention 2 other blades do come with it. They are a cross blade as well because it says must pair with upper blade. Must pair with upper blade. Not quite sure what that means, but I will mention that in the next video for sure. But there we go, extra blades. Okay, to start your lawnmower, you need to push the button like this and pull in the bail like this, and it'll fire up. This here is for your self-propelled wheels. The front wheels are self-propelled. So here you'll turn it on, and this way is off. Now it'll turn on your power to your self-propelled. And these paddles here, or buttons, you push that when you want it to drive. So you'll push the button and it'll self-propel itself. Actually, this is different speeds. This is all the way off. Each one is a different speed. Now let's talk about what kind of cutting you want to do. So if you want to do mulching, you'll have the plug in here. This is called the plug. For mulching, you want it in. Now let's say you want to shoot the grass to the side. Then you're going to have this grass direct right here. And it's going to go like this. Like that. You're going to close the door and it's going to lock itself in place. And your grass is supposed to shoot out here to the side. And then if you're going to bag it, you're going to leave everything out. And you're going to add your bag right here. Close that up. There you go, you got yourself a bagger. Another cool feature is you have LED lights in case it starts getting dusk, get a little bit dark, you can turn your lights on. Helps you see where you're going a bit. Another feature is your cutting height. So you can put it down on the lowest, all the way up to number 8. And I believe it's somewhere like between 1 or 2 inches to 4 inches high, the variance of height you want. And of course it comes with this big battery and a charger. This is the rapid charger. This thing charges up within about 50 minutes, 55 minutes. It's called an arc lithium. Not sure what the arc means, but 7.5 amps. Look at the size of this thing. It's crazy. Like, it's fully charged right now, but when you're charging this battery, you can hear this thing turn on, and there's fans, cooling fans come on. It's like a power plant all on its own. So like I said, this is very new to me, but I did all my research. I spent about 3 days checking out all different brands and models of battery powered mowers, push mowers, self-propelled mowers. I checked out everything. I almost went with a Ryobi push mower, but believe it or not, they didn't have any in stock around here at all, not even the distribution center. But this was a very powerful runner-up, even online, but for myself too. And I've actually found this one on sale at Canadian Tire. Yes, I'm in Canada. So this was on sale today, so I went and got it, and I'm really looking forward to using this thing. I recently moved and we don't have as much property like we used to. And I get tired of using gas powered stuff. Like, I mean, you always got to have a full gas can around. You have to keep it maintained. You know, you don't have to worry about your carburetor flooding or getting gummed up over the winter time. You don't have to do an oil change. You don't have to worry about spark plugs. There's so many things with a gas powered mower that you have to maintain or keep running. With this EGO battery powered push mower, I can just see it now. In the springtime, I'm just gonna pull it out of the shop here, hit the button, boom, I'm gone. Make sure my battery's powered up first though, right? But yeah, just hit the button, pull the bail, and away I go. I go cut grass. I don't have to worry about anything anymore. And it's also going to be much quieter. I can hardly wait to try this out. I'm going to try it out tonight. I'm gonna put my camera on. I'll just do a quick little show and tell of me mowing it here in a second. But once I mow the lawn 2 or 3 times, I'll give you my initial review of using the EGO 21-inch battery-powered self-propelled mower. All right, enough chatting. Let's go out on the lawn and give it a try. Okay, we're gonna put the battery in for the first time. And there's a thing here that goes over the connectors here. So we're just gonna slip it in there. Clicks in place, close the door, and we're ready to go. In a second here, you're going to hear the self-propelled wheels turn right here. It took off like a shot too. And this grass here is pretty long and it moves around very easily. It's nice and light. And cuts this tall grass really well. You know what? I got a 50-foot by 245-foot yard. I cut nearly everything. I only used 2/5 of the battery, so I could do this yard and another yard, maybe another yard, and I'd be all right. Right out of the gate, I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I hardly even used the self-propelled feature because it's light, like it's a plastic deck. You mean you don't have to worry about weight. So it was light, it was easy to maneuver, but I am gonna do some more videos on this EGO battery powered 21-inch self-propelled mower. Many videos to come. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any. I wanna thank you for watching and we'll see you again.